Hey everyone, today we're going to make these really cute jar openers, or a lot of people use them as coasters, and they have the little grip on the back, and I make them super simple. If you see, I just pink the edge, and I use 5-inch squares, so you're going to need a 5-inch piece of fabric and a 5-inch piece of shelf liner. And 5 inches is one of the ways I cut down all of my scraps, and I have a huge box sitting over here that I just make them with. I give them out to people. It's a great gift. People with arthritis really appreciate them. So share yours here in our Facebook page and show me your jar grippers / coasters. See you around. Back to my all-purpose like zigzag foot, and isn't this fabric really cute? Look at it with the butterflies. And so it has 2 different butterflies, so I'm doing two of each one. And then I'm using the gray shelf liner. That's all I had, and I want the flat side on the outside, not the grippy part. And so I've just clipped it all the way around. Remember to back stitch. And I'm just using the edge of my presser foot as my guide as I sew. And take it slow. Because remember, this is grippy, so it may stick. You may need to help your fabric along just a little bit. And just like that, we're done. So now all we're going to do is clip all of our threads, take our pinking shears, and just give it a good trim. So you don't have to do right sides together and turn it inside out and all that. You know, these are meant to be quick, easy, simple little gifts that you give away, and people really appreciate them. And if you're using them with scraps like I do, then it's just all the better, because then it's just scrap. All you have to do is buy the shelf liner. You already paid for the fabric. Okay, and just like that, it's done. Hope you enjoy this video. See you over on our YouTube channel, Sewing RV Style, and don't forget, enter for our giveaway over there.